targets. Power trick or treat.
All right, people, I have a very powerful video to explain. This is again another 100% gains in BA. I want to show you this plan I posted. This is the fourth winning. See, I said plan number 4, right? This is the fourth winning plan since January. Since December of 2018, and I want to show you that. But let's take a look carefully. Pay attention to this video very carefully. Very powerful information to those who are serious of success. All right, now, so I just opened this up here, and I said BA set up to test 407 to 420. The February 15 395 calls could be used, is what I usually type. And if you see here, the February 15 to 395 calls right here, they cost $300 on this close. Of course, that's not what we paid, though. Understand this, though. That's the closing price of the options. Okay, you can see that over here on January the 31st. So I said, BA needs to break above 389.25 on some power to confirm. All right, now, so pay attention. Understand what I just said there? Okay, now, close this up here. Give me a second here. All right, here. February 1, BA confirming with the February 15 395 calls at 440. So $440, okay? So I'm going to go right now quickly just to show you what's going on here. All right, I'm in here, the BA charts right now, real time here, 404.86 to show in the special video. And here you can see the February 15, the 395 call options are trading at 1150. This is greater than 150% gains. Now, I always tell people that we want to take 100. Well, we were able to easily get more than 100% gains today, easily, by the way it opened and how much we moved up. But right now, as you can see, with your eyes closed, you're able to take in greater than 150% gains. Now, I'm still holding in this one. We're still holding some runners, and I have stops, and I explained that inside of power group trades. You see, 4 winning plans in a stock like BA. I want to show you the first plan. But wait here, I want you to pay attention here. Look where the options are, okay? That's greater than 200% gains, right? So you take 440, right? And then multiply that to give you what we're at. So we'll just say right now, greater than 150% gains. Okay, for now, for this plan, it's just a demonstration really here, okay? And this is the 4th winning plan in a row. I'm trying to teach people about focus, rules, adapting into the market. Everybody is making big mistakes out there mentally. And I will be teaching that. If you become a member in my group, you study my videos, you listen to what I say, you come to my live streams, you have the power to change your life from someone who knows about work, who's got great discipline. All right, now let me show you some people. All right, before I show you some more facts here, power trick or trade. You want to become a follower on power trick or trade. And you want to study this pinned tweet video. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Give me a... So I moved down my stream, and I suggest people to go and study my stream. Just spend hours and hours studying my YouTube channel, my stream. But here it is. I made a plan. Here's the first plan. Let's take a look where BA was. Okay, 4 plans off of this one. Okay? Winner after winner after winner after winner. In great fear. In December, there was great fear. But Power Trick or Trade is visionary. I told people the market was going down for the wrong reasons. Okay? I have skill beyond skill. Okay? Most people are pebble, baby traders with no skill or idea. They cannot manage things like this. Let's take a look. We're at a greater than 100-point swing in BA. In a real company that makes real dollar bills, people. Not these little penny stocks, people who can't... Listen, I can kill it in their sandbox, but they can't kill it in mine. You understand? You have a big picture leader on your side. All right, now, let me show you something. So you can see here... Oh, come on, open up. Come on. Give me a sec here. All right, I got that blue. So this was the original plan. Look where we were, $316. Okay, and this was December the 28th. Okay, this is the first plan. Okay, this was the January 340 calls. Okay, so we made money since actually we were in one plan where we were holding this. We were in so many plans, but look at this and look at the outcome. Right now, I focused on key stocks that would do well, stuff like Apple, MA, Amazon, right? And all these stocks from January did well. In other words, a small selection of picks with a high win rate. You heard that right. Higher than 80, greater than 80% correct win rate. And when we win large. Understand, people? All right. You should come to my live streams on Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I usually tell when I'm going to do it for sure. Right? Look out on my Twitter. All right? All right now. So now, people, as you can see, MA, you look where MA should come down here. Come visit what I said in December. Come really visit my December, and the outcome. I had a February 15, 170 calls in Apple. They were against me. I was losing money. I told people we're going to hold them. They're making me gains. And on top of that, I made another winning plan with the 165 calls, and they made 100% gains. Watch out for that video, people! Win. Every single thing I talked about became winners, whether it's Apple, whether it's Amazon. These stocks are all higher massively since all that fear in December, because I'm visionary. And with multiple plans to back stuff up, we've been killing it. And the latest one, Ruko. Anyways, people. Let me show you something. Let me show you some more facts. Give me a second, people. Give me a second. Let me go right up to the thing here. So, study this pin tweet video. It explains how to become a member inside a Power Group Trades. I do management. I give mental help, help you here psychologically. I talk about the stops and everything inside of Power Group Trades. All right, people. Right. Now, come in. Come with me. We're going to go to here. We're going to go to my YouTube channel, and you click on this link right over here. Right over here, okay? You're going to look for a link in this, section over here. So, once you get the Power Group Trades, it kind of looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to study this created playlist. I also do health and wealth. Check out my videos here. Exercise videos over here. Okay. I also have information about health in here. Okay. Again, this is what a lot of people lack massively. They have no idea. Listen, people struggle. Okay. What I am is an expert for health and wealth. See, what's the point of making the dollar bills if your health is down the toilet? Doesn't make any sense, right, people? All right. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also go to my website, and there's a special video. Let's go quickly here. A special video here. So imagine so many winning plans and the great gains and the options. See this video, the story. People send me gifts. Find out why. It's free to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, but you want to be serious for success. You want to understand what I'm about. So it's up to you to study. It's all there for you. Never before in the history in the market has something been so documented and so helpful. And there's a deep reason for it. Okay? But it's only for this. Listen, most people are losers. Losers. L. No word of a lie. Mentally loser. End of story. However, when someone is given an opportunity to work with someone like me, I can help you become your best B. Discipline is key, and consistency. And I teach and preach that and prove that over and over and over again. All right, people. All right now. I'm such a good super mood with all the great gains we've been making in February and December. Oh, people. I just love the gains. All right now. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. If you don't have an account, get one. Come here, subscribe here manually. Make sure you come to my live streams. Get involved. Study. Listen to me and study. Listen. Find out what I'm explaining in the... Believe me, I know if you get into Power Group Trades, you have a chance for success. Because I'm here to help you become your best. Nobody cares like yours truly, the big picture leader. All right now. See you on the other side.
Power target trades. Power trick or treat.